Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got two bulk.com boxes. One has 23 items, one has 16 items in it. We're going to unbox everything. I'll show you everything at the end of the video. We're going to price everything, so if you want any of these items, you can find them on hookedonpickin.com. They're all supposed to be brand new. Bulk has always been a good liquidator for us. Let's see if they still are. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so between both of these boxes, with shipping included, $160 was spent. So our goal is to find enough product in here to make more than $163. So let's go ahead and see what we come up with. And I'll show you each and every item. Tell you the sizes, look at the condition, tell you the original price, all that stuff. All right. So it looks like everything was just dumped in here. So we're going to have to see, ooh, swimsuits. Now, it is the end of summer. A lot of people are like, I don't want swimsuits at the end of summer. Problem is, it's the end of summer, the stores don't have swimsuits in there anymore. So the only place people can find swimsuits is online where you're selling them. And so I like getting swimsuits now, and I post them right now. So, okay, this is a really cool tankini. Only problem is you have the security tag on it. So I'm not sure how to remove that. Might have to watch a YouTube video on how to do that.
Usually it's a bad situation.
Usually it's bad. So that may not be sellable, but we'll have to check it out. Oh, crud. Yeah. We may have to watch a video to figure that out. This is a tankini top. So, purple one. Let's see what size it is. I guess I can tell you all the sizes at the end. I'm not sure if I can sell these ones with the tags on them. Aqua green. $32 is the original price. It is what size? This one is 24W, which would be a great size if I can sell it. Hopefully not everything has a tag on it. Yay, we found an item with no tag on it. What is that?
What is that?
Who, what, where. It's just like a shirt, but it...
Does not look like
it's a weird shirt.
A weird shirt, yeah.
It's a super strange, okay, medium shirt. Somebody might want to wear it.
Security tag again? Ooh.
I know. We'll have to figure this out. Large, size large, tankini top.
So if you know how to get rid of a security tag, let us know.
Yeah, leave it in the comment section below. Help us out. It's super annoying. Right, this is a little girl's dress. Kids' clothes is not my favorite thing because it usually doesn't sell. So a lot of times we just donate them. All right. So far, this is a terrible, terrible box. We have a weird shirt nobody will ever wear. Of course, I don't know. You may like it. And then we have a bunch of swimsuits that have security tags on them. All right. And a bunch of kids' clothes. Well, at least it's a happy piece of kids' clothes. Little rainbow. It's one of those...
Follow the rainbow.
Follow. Like Lucky Charms.
Shamrock.
Shamrock. All right, what is this? Oh, this is cute. It's a dress. Very kind of peasant style, isn't it? Universal thread. Kind of a mustardy yellow. Extra small. Extra small. And we have, what does this say?
Little skull.
Skull. XXL. At least it's the right size.
Halloween.
Halloween. It's a loving skull. It's got hearts for eyes.
That's right.
It's very loving, florally skull. Loving skulls. Okay. What is this? Oh! Every kid needs this. Hold on. Every kid needs this. It's got a unicorn hat.
That is cool.
It's fantastic. I feel like I should just wear this just like this. Is it stylish? Where's the horn? I have a crooked horn. It's going that way. All right. Unicorn hoodie. That's kind of cute. That might sell. All right. Then we have a bright yellow. Who, what, where, size small. Another kind of peasant style. Tie front. Puffy sleeves.
A little more on the wrinkled side than we
Yeah. Oh, here's the red version of that same dress.
Oh, that's cute.
Cat and Jack. This is a medium, size 7-8. Perfect Valentine's.
When they were younger, could have worn
Yeah. Then we have another. Let's see. This one is All in Motion pants, size large. Are those kids? No, these are women, size large. They're more kind of a legging pant. All right. Then we have some undies. That's size. What size is that? Size 4. No, 4 pair. Let's see what size it is.
right there next to the 4.
Tagless high cut. Yeah, I don't see the size.
Gotta be on there somewhere.
Yeah, somewhere size small.
Small?
Which is 5. Size 5. Then we have a size 5 small pair of underwear there. We've got some Cat and Jack kids underwear. We've got a size 2X underwear. We're covering all of the bases. Then we have a size 14 kids underwear. We have size 5, size small underwear. We've got another size small. I think that's it for the underwear. Yep. Then we have, this looks like a bathing suit top or bottom. Bathing suit. Okay, here we go. Bathing suit bottom. Cute little belt, size medium. Then we have some unicorn underwear. It might have come out of one of the packages. We'll have to see. Then we have a size medium kids top, maybe?
Or juniors, maybe.
Or juniors, yeah. Crop top is huge with
Yeah.
juniors. All right, here is another dress. Kind of that peasant style dress. Size small, $34.99. Just like the yellow one. Only it's kind of a teal. Kind of greenish. And then the last thing in this box looks like a kid's little dress with kind of a ruffled neck. So we're going to go ahead and move on to the next box. So this one is empty. We're going to see what we find. Hopefully it's better stuff that isn't security tagged. It's not like I'm going to steal it for myself. Of course I do steal some things out of the boxes.
You bought it.
Yep, that's true. It's not stealing if I bought it. Okay, so this is a much better box. It is already bagged. So let's do this. I see a couple of different ones of these. So we'll probably have more than one. What is this? Oh, it looks like it's a good size. Nice sweater. So it's got kind of a mock neck. This is $54 regular price. And it's an extra large. Nice sweater. And which one I bet these two are extra large? Extra large. Extra large. So these are all the same size. So that's a nice sweater. I like it. All right. Then we have a blue one. Size large. This one also has the perfect time of the year to be selling sweaters. This has a nice silver stripe along the side. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's so soft. Just want to pet it. Okay, it is Kim Rogers, size large. Another $54 sweater. Yes, I like to pet the clothes. No, I just like to wear stuff that's comfortable and soft. You don't want itchy clothes.
This one's definitely going to sell.
Oh, yeah. I feel like this is an ugly sweater competition one.
I think it looked pretty cool.
Ooh, it is cute. Swipe right.
I know people would wear this for ugly sweater, but it looks cool.
It is cool. Does this say something else?
Swipe right. Oh.
Swipe.
Rudolph or
Santa.
Nice.
I love it. It's so much fun.
That's definitely selling.
I could stay here all day. All right, this is size large. Look,
$1,000.
it's from Joyland. There's a place called Joyland. I want to move there.
Joy.
Joyland. I love that. Swipe right. So clever. All right, this is 1X. $54. Ooh, it's fleece. Oh, that looks so comfy. And it has pockets. Oh, no, it's totally like a hoodie pocket. It goes all the way through.
That's cool.
That is super cool. So, Kim Rogers' original price is $54. It even says it's for the curvy girl. So, 1X fleece. Looks like it's that pattern. And then here's the back. Just solid red. I might have to steal that one. Actually, I've told myself that I'm not allowed to take any more clothes until I clean my own closet out, which never has happened yet, so you guys get to buy it. All right, here is cool Christmassy colors. Nice plaid. Ooh, that's a really neat pattern. This one is a size medium. Nice plaid, very soft. It's got some, this is gold, some gold stripes in there, if you can kind of see that nice and close. Really nice, fun shirt. And it's tapered at the waist, so...
Yeah, these are definitely the right time.
Mm-hmm. Oh, here's another one, size extra large, of that first sweater we pulled out of this box. Cool. Mickey Mouse. I think we pulled a Mickey Mouse one out like this before. Is it the same one? This one's a 2X. Was that one a 2X too?
Yeah.
I don't remember.
Yeah.
We're going to put these probably on the fire sale.
Yep.
So let me show you what it looks like. It was in yesterday's video. We had one just like it. So here's the shirt. See, the pants are really cute. There's the shirt. Well, it's Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse, yeah.
It is Minnie Mouse. I thought it was Mickey. Yep. All right, so 2X Mickey Mouse PJs. What else we got here? Blue. This is my favorite color. $45 is the original price. This is a 4XL. What is a 4XL? Ooh, flannel pants.
Nice.
They're so soft. They're Izod ones.
Very nice.
Those are really, really nice. Comfy, comfy. All right. Then we have a Crown and Ivy is the name of this brand. I see some unique colors. It's brown and hot pink. How are they going to combine those to look right? This is a 1X Crown and Ivy sweater. Oh, that's neat. So it's got kind of a high-low hem on it. Got little ties here so you can put a little bow on it. Well, that just makes this plain sweater look really, really kind of fun. Isn't that neat? $72.50 is the original price of this sweater.
Really neat.
Really cool. Oh, I didn't even tell you what size it was, did I? This is a 1X. I might have said that. All right, did we already pull this one out? The silver striped one? Oh, it's blue. We pulled a blue one out that's silver striped. I was like, wait a minute, I know we had something with silver stripes. This one is a size large. It's black and silver. There you go.
Nice.
Nice mock neck. Very stretchy and comfy. Nice soft material. It's not itchy. Okay, here we got a green one. Exact same style. Let's see if I can just see the size. This is an extra large of the green and silver stripe. Exact same style. Make sure you stay tuned to the end because we will be pricing everything. This is a medium. This one is white and gold. If this was my size, I would totally keep it. Because whenever one of our group sings at church, we have to wear a white shirt, and I'm not a fan of white shirts. And this one's really cute. I would have kept it. But it's not my size, so you guys get to buy it. It's a medium. Ooh, silver. I feel like these are all holiday colors. Silver and gold, right? Made a whole song about it. This is a cable knit. Ooh, it's a cardigan. Nice, that's going to sell. Petite large is the size, but really the petite part doesn't matter as much on a cardigan because it's not fitting snug. It's more draping, and that does look a little bit longer. So if you're a regular size large, you probably could wear this one as well. So number four, $48 is the original price on this one. One more thing in this box. One more thing. Let's see. The last thing in this box is a size medium cowl neck black sweater. Looks like it's a tight fitting one. Wonderly $78 is the original price. It looks more like a junior's crop style.
Yeah.
It does. So this one is, even though it's a medium, I'd say it's more of a junior style. All right, we're going to go ahead and price everything, and I'll show you everything listed on Hooked on Pickin. And so let's get right to it. All right, so here are the prices for everything that is listed on hookedonpickin.com. I was really disappointed with that first box with all of the security devices. I actually asked for a full refund on that box. We'll see what Bulk decides to do with that particular instance. But everything else I was able to list, so we're going to show you all the things that are available currently on hookedonpickin.com. All right, first we have this Wonderly black knit turtle cowl neck sweater with a flattering cinch waist that is size medium for $19.99. Then we have the Izod blue fleece drawstring sleep pants, 4XL is the size, $19.99. And they are available on hookedonpickin.com. Then we have the Crown and Ivy sweater, brown and pink ribbon sleeves, which are super fun. And that is available for $29.99. It is size 1X. Then we have the Kim Rogers women's button-up flannel top. This is super soft. It is green, red, and white plaid, and it's nipped in at the waist to make you look thin. Size medium for $19.99. Then we have the Kim Rogers women's silver and gray cable knit cardigan. Really, really nice drape. It is a petite large, but if you're worried about it being too short for a petite, it actually was supposed to hit right about the hips for a petite. So if you're wear a regular large, this would be great too. So it has nice silver threading in it too. Then we have the Kim Rogers women's half zips fleece jacket, red in color, $19.99. It is a 1X. Then we have the Kim Rogers black and silver striped sweater, $19.99, size large, really comfy and cute. Then we have the blue one that is size large as well, $19.99, silver and blue stripe. Then we have the green one, silver and green stripe. It is an extra large. It says sold out. I just forgot to put the one in there. It actually is available at $19.99. Then we have the gold and ivory colored one, Kim Rogers, size medium, $19.99 for that. Then we have the Santa Rudolph Swipe Right graphic sweater, size large, $19.99. Then we have the New Directions women's extra large animal jacquard flannel neck tunic sweater. It is new with tags, and we have 4 of these available at size extra large at $19.99. Then we have this cute puff long sleeve bow blouse. Who What Wear is the brand. Cyber Yellow is the color, $14.99. It is a size small, super cute, available at hookedonpickin.com. And then we have this puff short sleeve eyelet dress. Universal Thread is the brand. It is teal in color, really cute, $14.99, also a size small. And so we ended up with these bulk 2 boxes. $242 is what we spent. Like I said, we did pretty terrible on that first box, and not a lot is available to be able to be sold. $163 is what we paid for both of the boxes for a total profit of $79. So a whole lot of work for $79. And Bulk has been contacted, and we'll see if we can get some money back on some of those items. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.